Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these Le Creuset silicone handle grips are so excellent to protect your hands when you're using your hot pans or pots. And I like that the silicone is really nice and thick to give really good protection, and there are ridges, so it's easy to grip onto these. And they really fit so nicely on the handles of my pots. And I love that they go right in the dishwasher to easily be cleaned. And the size, they're so small, they fit inside of each other, and they're so simple to store right in a little drawer. These Le Creuset silicone handle grips are so convenient for me to have in my kitchen. They're easy to store, they're easy to clean, and they give great protection to my hands when I'm using my pots. And they are definitely a staple in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.